machines equal wealth. Well, the interesting thing about the industrial age was the people who invented the industrial age, the people who developed or grew up in the industrial age, they were always attempting to figure out how they could make more money, and they figured out if they would standardize production and manufacturing, they could make more money. But did you know, I think it was Smith and Wesson, did you know that this gun manufacturer, I'm pretty sure it was Smith and Wesson, are the ones who created the concept of standardized production? Because what they had was they had like 15 dudes making guns, but all the dudes had their own way of making guns. And so the parts from one gun didn't fit another gun because all these different people had their different ways of making guns. And they said, you know what, this doesn't make sense. Why don't we just have one person create barrels and another person create stocks and another person create triggers. And so what happened was all of the parts became interchangeable. And then that eventually became the standard for manufacturing. And so in the industrial age, people created machines to manufacture machines. People created machines to farm the land. People created machines to distribute all the stuff that people were manufacturing and all the crops people were growing, like the railroad was big, the automobile industry, the airplane industry, all of these things were created in the industrial age.